So now we are at Bake Oven Knob, right there, and we're gonna check out this overlook. So as I mentioned, we're doing Bake Oven Knob. It's like just under a mile, probably less than half a mile to get to the actual overlook. We just need something quick, fill up our time. We did Lehigh Gap East earlier, so now we're gonna hit up Bake Oven Knob and just get some pictures and videos of the overlook. Extremely rocky on the way up here. It's like one big boulder field. Here's the opposite view on the other side of Bake Oven Knob, and we'll go to Bake Oven Knob next, but there's a lot of people up there.
Enjoy your trip. The plane! The plane! The plane! That's before your time.
So Bake Oven Knob, that was a really, whoa, almost fell. That was a really good view, but had a lot of graffiti, a lot of trash, broken glass bottles, a lot of people. So not really for me, but the view was pretty good.